Good morning, guys. Today is our second day here in Florida. It's July 18, Sunday. We just woke up, guys. Time is 11:49 a.m. Oh yeah, diba na humana siya nagkape. Magluto ko, guys, og noodles. Noodles akong lutoon kay na pa may rice. Pakanon sinat. Tas ang anak ni Bana na si Elena, mutawag to sa either kang Bana cellphone or sa ako. Kaya may direct kuhaon, guys. At tumi sa iya balay. Gluto daw dito for paningod to or panihapon. Basta yung anak, guys. Siguro na mo buhaton karon, guys. Ano to sa iya balay. Hang out there. Then before we go there, we have to take shower and eat breakfast here. Meron naman kasali breakfast dito sa hotel, kaso guys, close na siya kasi alas 11 na. Late na ng mata. Tungod pa ni sa jet lag, maulate namin ang mata. Yung banana. Sinat, naglaro. Yung damit ko, guys, kung binalik ko lang pagsuot kasi hindi pa naman siya namin. I just saw a letter here, guys. Alina's daughter wrote this down. Dear Natalie and Papa, we brought you some food and drinks. 2 drinks and 8 for Nat. I brought her 2 surprises that they are hidden in the drawer cabinet, dresser in the dressing closet. Alina's daughter wrote this. That's what she did. They're so sweet. And then Evan, she gave this to me, guys. Thank you, so appreciated. Prize to Eileen. Thank you, so.
And thank you for mine too.
Yeah, even just now she have hers too. So yeah. Just happy, guys, na namit ko yung apo at anak ni Banana na babae. They're nice. I'm gonna prepare breakfast now, guys. Our breakfast, guys. Noodles. Nat is eating. Here's your fork, anak. Jeez. Use your... So, guys, kain tayo, guys. So, papunta na dito yung anak ni Banana. Andito na kami, guys, sa bahay ng anak ni Banana. So, kami lang dito, guys, na mga bata. Kasi yung mag-amaan doon sa Home Depot, namali sila ng 12. Yun yung sinabi ko kanina. Ito yung dog nila. So cute. No, no. No, no. No. No, no. So cute dog. No, no. And then yung isang dog nila is andito. Si Luna. Mga bata, tago. Place later. Dito, guys, yung picture namin. Pero no kay makalingaw. Look at here. Look. Evening guys, andito na kami guys sa hotel. Doon kami kumain ng dinner sa anak ni Banana. And we just cooked their chicken barbecue. Tapos nagpalit sila sa store of coleslaw o macaroni salad and corn. That's our dinner. What's good dinner though? Si Banana nag-fix niya ang pool sa anak. Busy gamay, tapos ako nagkuhan ang lingkod kaya mataha tadi ba guys, dili na to balay. Pero ang anak ni Bana, she treat me nice. Ang apo po ni Banana og sinatikit along, they're not fighting. Wala na day ko nag video dito guys, nagluto mi guys or nanghaon mi guys sa balay sa anak ni Bana kay mag-around guys, diba? Ang weather din sa Florida is like in the Philippines.